Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi phone guys sound and vibration secret setting. How to use sound and vibration secret additional setting. In this video friends we will talk about one by one, step by step. So without waste time guys, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. Friends, click on Redmi mobile sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration friends, scroll it. Friends, click here sound and vibration additional setting. After on guys sound and vibration additional setting guys, one by one guys we will talk about with this secret setting. Friends, if you know dial pad tone, that's good, and guys you don't know what is dial pad tone and after on how to use dial pad tone. Friends, one by one, step by step we will talk about all setting. After on dial pad friends, click here dial pad and friends enter any number. Friends, if you enter number you can use the dial pad sound background. And friends, if you off your dial pad sound, friends you can see we can enter number without any sound. So friends, you want to use dial pad sound, you can use. Second is tap sound. Friends, if you on tap sound on your Redmi mobile, so when if you tap on your phone button, and friends if you click any icon, so friends you can use the tap sound on your device, and you don't want to use, so friends click here sound vibration additional setting, and we can off tap sound. And guys, after of you can tap on your screen, you can tap any icon, you cannot use tap sound on your Redmi phone device. Third option friends, you can see play sound when locking device. Friends, if you on, and guys when you will lock your Redmi phone, friends you can use your lock screen sound. And guys when you will unlock your Redmi mobile, so you can use this screen lock and unlock sound on your device. Friends, you can check screen lock sound and screen unlock sound. So like that friends, we can use screen lock and unlock sound on Redmi mobile. Friends, click on Redmi mobile additional setting again. You don't want to use your screen lock and unlock sound, you can off. Third option, fourth option, play sound when taking screenshot. Friends, if you on screenshot sound, so guys when you will take your three finger screenshot, you can use your screenshot sound. Okay friends, and you want to take a screenshot without any sound, you can off, and you can take a screenshot without any sound on your Redmi phone device. As you can see play sound when installing app. Friends, if you on, and guys when you will install any app on your device, so friends you can use this sound. Friends, when you will install this app you can use this sound. So friends, I don't want to install app, I told you only. Friends, you can see play sound when deleting item. Friends, if you on this delete sound setting, friends open your gallery. Friends, if you delete photo, any photo, and this screenshot recently we click, I will delete. After delete friends, you can use the delete sound. So friends, we call delete sound. So if you delete any photo and video on your device, so you can use the delete sound setting, and you can off. Friends, you can see play sound when charger is connected. So guys when you will charge your Redmi phone, so you can use this sound. And friends, last friends, you can see play audio startup, you can on and you can off. Guys, leave this sound, don't use this sound. Okay friends, you can use only play sound, charging sound, delete sound, install app sound, screenshot sound, screen lock sound, touch sound, and dial pad sound. So I hope friends you understood how to use Redmi phone's secret sound and vibration additional setting. And guys, now you have any doubt friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.